In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Cursor AI account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app and on the web to permanently remove your account, along with a few tips to make sure you don't lose anything important by accident. Before we begin, a quick note. Deleting your account is not the same as uninstalling the app. Uninstalling only removes the program from your computer. Deleting the account permanently removes your profile and associated data from the service. This action is typically irreversible. If you have projects, code snippets, settings, or any cloud-backed history you want to keep, consider exporting or backing them up first. Also, if you have an active paid plan, review your billing status so there are no surprises after deletion. To get started, make sure Cursor AI is already installed on your computer. If it isn't installed, the menu options you need won't appear, so confirm that first. Then open the Cursor application. Give it a moment to load your workspace so everything in the interface is available. Look for the gear icon inside the app. Depending on your version, it may appear near the lower corner or in the top toolbar. Click the gear to open the main app options. From there, select Settings. This opens the panel where you manage how the app behaves, along with account-related controls. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Manage Accounts. There you'll see an option to open. Click Open. This action will launch your default browser and take you to your account page. If you're prompted to sign in, use the same login you're currently using in Cursor so the right account loads. On the account page in your browser, click Settings again to access your account-specific configuration. Scroll down the page until you find the Delete Account option. It's often placed near the bottom to prevent accidental clicks, so keep scrolling until you see it. Click Delete. A confirmation prompt will appear explaining what will happen when you proceed. Read this carefully. It usually outlines data removal, access loss, and any remaining plan implications. When you're sure you want to proceed, click Delete again to confirm. Some services may ask for a final verification, like re-entering your password or confirming via email. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once the confirmation is accepted, your account will be scheduled for deletion, and you'll lose access accordingly. That's it. You've successfully deleted your Cursor AI account. If you ever choose to return, you can create a new account from scratch. Thanks for watching and take care.